We ranked 8 used SUVs that real owners keep driving well past 200,000 miles, and we counted them down by what actually matters: engine durability, maintenance costs, and long-term value. Some share platforms with military fleet vehicles. Others cost less to keep running each year than a single car payment. A few are worth more today than they were a decade ago. Number 8 is a body-on-frame Toyota that simply refuses to quit. 8th place goes to the 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner, a midsize SUV built on a full ladder frame. This body-on-frame design separates the drivetrain and suspension loads from the passenger cabin, absorbing the kind of punishment that would twist a unibody crossover. Under the hood, the 1GRF EV6 has a reputation for hitting 300,000 miles on original internals. Owner forums and YouTube channels are filled with odometer shots showing 318,000 miles, 441,000 miles, even 478,000 miles. Backed by service records and dated photos, maintenance is straightforward, with regular oil changes, a timing chain tensioner check around 120,000 miles, and fluid swaps that keep the drivetrain solid. Late model resale values have actually climbed as buyers chase proven longevity, with some high mileage examples selling for more than they did 5 years ago. For buyers, a quick VIN history check and a look at the service book are all it takes to confirm you are getting a survivor. Number 7. The 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V proves that you do not have to spend big to reach 200,000 miles and beyond. This generation runs on the Honda K-Series engine, a powertrain known among mechanics for its well-designed valve train and low failure rates. That durability translates directly into owner savings. According to shop invoice data and industry surveys, the average annual maintenance cost for these CR-V models lands around $407, compared to $652 for the typical compact fatty SUV. Consumer Reports awarded this generation a 7-year streak of top reliability ratings, a rare achievement in the segment. Real-world examples show original engines and transmissions still running strong past the 200,000-mile mark, with most repairs limited to brakes, fluids, and the occasional suspension bushing. The main buying advice is to check that the valve clearance service was done at the recommended intervals, and to review the service book for regular oil changes. For buyers who care about long-term value and keeping costs low, the 3rd-generation CR-V stands out as a practical, proven choice. Number 6 belongs to the Lexus RX 300 and RX 330, built from 1999 to 2006, a luxury SUV that does not trade longevity for comfort. Under the leather seats and wood trim sits a Toyota Camry platform, known for its simple, low-stress drivetrain and easy-to-source parts. That connection means the RX 300 and RX 330 V6 engines and transmissions routinely cross the 200,000-mile mark, while owners report that climate control, power seats, and audio systems keep working long after the odometer rolls over. Resale data backs up the reputation. These models hold about 60% of their original value at 100,000 miles, a full 15% stronger than most mainstream SUVs from the same era. For buyers, one straightforward check, confirming regular oil changes and timing belt service, usually predicts a long, trouble-free run. The RX 300 and RX 330 prove that a used luxury SUV can deliver both comfort and the kind of reliability usually reserved for the most practical family haulers. Number 5 goes to the 2003 to 2008 Subaru Forester, a compact SUV with a reputation built on its symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike most crossovers, the Forester's drivetrain keeps the front and rear axles perfectly balanced, distributing torque evenly and reducing localized stress on components. Repair frequency data suggests this even load split cuts drivetrain wear by an estimated 18% compared to typical front-wheel drive or part-time all-wheel drive competitors. In regions like Vermont and Colorado, where winter roads are the rule, that mechanical advantage translates directly into higher resale value. Listings from snow states show used Foresters selling for an average 22% more than the national median for similar mileage and trim. The flat-4 boxer engine also sits low in the chassis, making certain repairs, like spark plug changes or timing belt service, more accessible than many rivals. For buyers, one key check is the differential service history. Regular fluid changes keep the all-wheel drive running smoothly, well past the 200,000-mile mark. The Forester stands out as a climate-specific workhorse, especially where snow and ice put lesser SUVs out of commission. Number 4 belongs to the 2006 to 2012 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that built its reputation on the back of the 2AZFE engine. This power plant is not just reliable, it is one of the most field-tested engines on the road, with production numbers reaching into the tens of millions across Toyota's global lineup. The data backs up the hype. J.D. Power awarded this generation a 91 out of 100 reliability score, placing it near the very top of its class for long-term dependability. For high-use drivers, the evidence is everywhere. Rideshare logs and owner forums are filled with stories of RAV AV4s crossing 200,000 miles without a major engine or transmission repair. One rideshare operator documented over 220,000 miles of city driving, with only routine oil changes and a single timing chain tensioner replacement. At 120,000 miles, maintenance costs stay manageable thanks to the engine's simple design and widespread parts availability. For buyers, the main thing to watch for is signs of heavy use fatigue, worn seats, tired suspension, or a service book missing those oil change intervals. When the basics are covered, this RAV4 delivers a kind of predictable, low-surprise longevity that is rare in mass-market SUVs. Number 3. The 2003 to 2006 Ford Expedition brings big truck durability to the high-mileage game. This full-size SUV rides on a body-on-frame platform rated by Ford for a service life of 250,000 miles before a chassis overhaul. Numbers that aren't just theory. The 5.4-liter Triton 5.8 under the hood has powered police fleets, government agencies, and airport shuttle vans across the country, with many units routinely logging over 300,000 miles. In fleet use, expeditions are maintained on regimented schedules, and when the odometer crosses the 200,000-mile mark, it's common to see a documented engine rebuild or a transmission refresh instead of a trip to the scrapyard. For shuttle operators, this approach is pure economics. Rebuilding the drivetrain at 200,000 miles costs less than replacing the vehicle, and the heavy-duty chassis keeps absorbing daily punishment. Maintenance records from municipal fleets and shuttle companies show that with consistent care and a willingness to invest in major service at the right intervals, these expeditions just keep rolling. For used buyers, the smartest move is to ask for detailed fleet or service records, especially proof of any engine or transmission rebuilds. When the paperwork is solid, the Expedition stands out as a rare American SUV that can haul, tow, and outlast most rivals, provided you're ready for the long-haul investment. Number 2 is the Lexus GX470 from 2003 to 2009, a luxury SUV that has quietly become a legend among overland travelers and high-mileage enthusiasts. The GX470 rides on the same ladder frame as the Land Cruiser Prado, a platform trusted worldwide for its ability to shrug off rough roads and heavy loads. Expedition logs and trip reports on forums like IH8Muddy and Expedition Portal are filled with stories of GX470 models rolling past 200,000 miles, often with nothing more than regular fluid changes and basic upkeep. What sets this SUV apart is not just its mechanical durability, but the way it blends that toughness with real comfort. Leather seats, adjustable suspension, and a V8 that is as happy on a mountain pass as it is on the school run. Used market data tells a surprising story. Some 2005 GX470 models are now worth more in 2025 than they were a decade ago, a rare case of depreciation flipping into appreciation. For buyers, one smart move is to check for heavy off-road modifications or missing service records, since clean, well-maintained examples are the ones that keep climbing in value and reliability. The GX470 stands at the intersection of luxury, off-road strength, and long-term value, a combination few SUVs can match. And finally, in first place, the Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series, built from 1998 to 2007, stands alone as the SUV with the most thoroughly documented long-term survival record in the world. TÜV Germany's independent reliability study puts the average service life of the 100 series at 340,000 kilometers, over 211,000 miles, outlasting every other production SUV in their database. This is not just lab data. About 70% of the United Nations global 4x4 fleet runs on this platform, chosen for missions in conflict zones and remote terrain where mechanical failure simply is not an option. Owner logs from Australia, the Middle East, and Africa routinely show 500,000 kilometers or more on original engines and transmissions, with maintenance records to back it up. Since 2019, used 100 series values have actually climbed, as buyers recognize that these trucks are appreciating assets, not just old workhorses. For anyone considering a purchase, the golden rule is to demand a full service history, oil changes, timing belt intervals, and documented repairs, since disciplined maintenance is the difference between a legend and a liability. The Land Cruiser 100 series is not just the last SUV standing after 200,000 miles. It is the one that global fleets, independent mechanics, and high-mileage owners all agree will still be running strong long after others have called it quits. Across all 8 SUVs, one truth stands out. True long-term value is not about flashy tech or hype. It is about proven engineering that survives real-world miles. For buyers who need a workhorse, durability wins every time. That is why these models keep earning trust long after the odometer turns. Which would you drive?